Welcome back. So today we'll learn a new things in the world of AI. AI, everything we know that we can use it for asking any question, getting some impressive answer. We can use it inside VS Code for our everyday, day-to-day vibe coding purpose and all those things. So today we'll learn a new thing called skills. So your AI or AI vibe coding interface like GitHub Copilot that can be more enabled or more efficient if you have provided skills to it. Okay, now get into the computer screen and let's see how it is. So if you search Salesforce GitHub for AI coding, so you will get two links here. So you can click on the second link where it is saying force.com. Okay, SF skills. So once you click on that, it's a GitHub repository basically. So now you would see a lot of things are written over here. Okay, how your project structure should look like and all those things. Okay, but my main focus is on this folder, skill folder. Okay, if you'll expand it, so it has a lot of skills Salesforce provided. Okay, and looks like these are best practices from Salesforce side. For example, here you can see a lot of skills like how to apply SLDS, building mobile application. But today we will see something which is very common, generating Apex code. Okay, so let's see generating Apex code. Okay, it will have okay, you can see here generate Apex. Okay, that skill is there. Similarly, there is another skill called generating Apex test. Okay, so what these things are MD files. Okay, .md files which helps your AI agent to follow certain instruction. Also, let's say in your organization you are following a enterprise grade like trigger structure. Okay, so at that time you can there is a enterprise grade trigger framework available automatically inside generating Apex, but on top of it you can edit that MD file and add your instruction, your specific instruction, so that your AI coding or vibe coding things will follow that. Okay, let's click on that and see. Okay, there are other folders like assets, reference and all those things, but this folder here, skill.md, sorry, not this folder, this file, you can see all those things. It's saying that primary Apex, authoring skills for class generation, refactoring and review. Okay, even it helps rest resource and all those things. um, it has a lot of things here. Okay, you can see with sharing, public, how to use API versions, and all those things are written. Your class name, let's say in your organization you are following a naming convention, so you can say that, for example, I am an organization called Prayas, so my naming convention should be Prayas, then the class name, for example Prayas account search or Prayas opportunity utility. Similarly, okay, so here you can just say hard code your the naming convention, then you provide, okay, this is how you should generate or you should follow my naming convention. So this MD file you can edit it yourself inside VS Code. Okay, now let's go to our VS Code and see a quick demo. Okay, I am not going to edit any file for this purpose, but you can do it always and check it. Okay, now let's go. Yes. So, uh, okay, let's see a quick demo. Okay. So I'll just tell you a little bit about how it is working and all those things while doing the demo. So now in your GitHub Copilot, okay, we are selecting Proyas Pro because we are not selecting Claude and ChatGPT here because it's so much costly. Okay. So then I'm saying that, okay, apply some skills, check refactoring is required for this class, and you can see here it's reading the skill file. Okay, then it has found and it's trying to inspect relevant skill documents. Okay, so then we'll say, okay, it's asking, okay, so you can say that, okay, you can do it. So what it will do, it will first check your skill document. You can see it's showing here skill generating hyphen apex hyphen test, because it is a test class. Okay, this class here is a test class. I'm You can see in the test annotation, is test annotation, as this is a test class, it is taking the test skill sets and accordingly it is refactoring. Okay, so it will take some time. So meanwhile I can say that, okay, any best practices, any thing which is specific to your organization, you can mention it inside your skill file, uh, so that, okay, your AI, vibe coding AI, will follow the best practice and your organization style of coding instead of writing its own. Okay, so that will make your vibe coding experience much better. You can see, okay, based on the best practices and all, it has removed the single account, it has created a method, it has introduced some assert statement, so that it will follow the path. Okay, uh, you can deploy this. Okay, once you are happy with your refactoring, you can deploy this to your class or to your org. Okay, then you can see it. Okay, uh, that's the thing for today. I hope you would have learned something today. Generally we simply think ai AI vibe coding or chatbot, they know everything. Okay, but they don't know something which is specific to your organization. Okay, that's why this skill is important. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and provide your feedback in comment box.